Whatever your state of mind has been from your childhood to now need not be the state of your mind for the rest of your life. The easiest thing to do is change the framework of our mind, isn't it? To change the framework of our body is very difficult. To change the framework of our mind is the easiest thing to do because that is the most flexible thing. But that you have made it like a concrete block. What do you want to use your head for? Just headbutting? You must keep this as flexible as possible, isn't it? Otherwise, a concrete block is useful only for certain things. So it doesn't matter what labels they put on you. If you wish, you can change the structure of your mind now.